Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Wireless Audio 360 R7 tripod stand. In the previous video I unboxed the R7 itself and we saw that it didn't come with the tripod stand. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing the tripod stand for the Wireless 360 R7. As you can see, you have the box there. I just got it in yesterday and it looks pretty light, like very lightweight. And you see the box here, it says Samsung tripod stand, and there's the model number, and you see on the picture here it's actually the way it looks when it's set up. You have the speaker there. Yeah, let's unbox this. Okay, so we're gonna need a knife or a blade to prime open the box. I'm gonna look for a blade here. Okay, so I got this tool here. I'm gonna use it to open up the box. As you can see here, open this up, and got this, and this one. Okay, there you go. So this is the box. Here, we got bring this out gently. Oof, that's the box. Yeah, so in this box we have the bracket leg. This is the bracket leg B. We actually have two of this. So you see this one doesn't have the wire clip. Then two, this is the bracket leg B, the second one. And this is the bracket leg A. Like I told you, it has the little clip for the wire. The three ones here. Then one more thing, we have the bracket head here. So this is the bracket head, and here are the screws for the installation and all that. So as you can see, we have all the components opened up, and we're going to start the installation. We'll walk through it, but just so you know, if you have having to purchase one of this, you need to go actually read the manual properly and follow the stages one after the other. It's pretty easy to fix. It's just that if it's the first time you're doing this, it's going to take you a lot of time to figure out how to put the leg on which pot you're gonna put which bracket leg, and that's it. So let's get started. So we'll grab this neatly, and here this one comes out. There you go. Second one. Second one here, then the third leg. We're also gonna grab this, the bracket head. There, that's how it looks. Put this here, and you're gonna need a screwdriver to actually screw the screws properly in the bracket legs so they can hold firmly on the head. So here I'm gonna use my screwdriver pack. I actually got this from Amazon. I got it for $11, and it has all the screw heads and threads I need. I'm gonna open this up so you see how it looks. So here you have all the components, all the types of different head, the flats, the star, and all that here. So I'm gonna take this, put here first. So we have everything here. So next, we're gonna fix the heads in the bracket. So the bracket legs goes, I'm gonna start with the bracket leg A, and this is where they all go, and you're gonna take your time to put them neatly. This big guy's gonna sit down here. So take the first one, goes in tight, nice. Screw goes here. Get the screw. That's what comes in there. Put it there so we know what we're doing. Yeah, so as you can see here, the installation is done. The leg is completely fixed. The three legs are completely fixed. So here we have the three legs, as you can see here, and the bracket head is already installed. That's the area where the speaker is going to go on top. So I'm just going to put this on the stand so you see how it looks here. Hey guys, so as you can see, the tripod stand is ready, and it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, it doesn't take time to fix. It's very easy to put all the pieces together. And you see the bracket leg one I was talking about. So here, when the speaker is on top, all you need to do here is take the wire down here and passes it all the way down. It keeps the tripods clean and nice. And the next video, I'm going to show you how we can actually install the R7 speaker on the tripod stand. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on the link below, and also hit the notification icon so you can get notification of more videos I'm going to upload. And thank you. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye.